student, today my topic is mechanical dispersion method. In this method, the dispersion of coarse material is what? Whose colloidal solution is to be prepared, is carried out in the machine called colloid mill. It consists of two heavy steel discs separated by little gap. The gap may be adjusted according to the particle size desired. The two discs rotate at high speed in the opposite direction. A suspension of the substance in water is introduced into the mill. This is the two discs, and this disc just rotate anti-clockwise. This is rotate in this way clockwise, and this is rotating anti-clockwise. So this is the driving belt, and coarse suspension pour from this side, and when two discs rotate, then in between the discs the salt get prepared. So a suspension of the substance in water is introduced into the mill. The coarse particle present in the suspension are grinded to the particle of the colloidal dimension and get dispersed in water to form a salt. Finer dispersion can be obtained by adding the inert diluent which prevent the colloidal particle to grow in size. For example, glucose is used as a diluent in the preparation of sulfur salt. This is the apparatus where the salt prepared. Now next is electrical dispersion method, that is Briggs arc method. This method is used for the preparation of salt of metals such as gold, silver, platinum. In this method, an electrical arc is struck between the two electrodes. This is the two electrode. They struck between the solution electrode of the metal. The dispersion medium is cooled by surrounding it with the freezing mixture. High temperature of the arc vaporizes some of the metal. The vapor condensed to the particle of the colloidal size on the cooling. The colloidal particle thus formed get dispersed in the medium to form the salt of the metal. Suppose this is the two container. One container is inside, the smaller one is inside the bigger one, and in the bigger one there is a ice, that is a freezing mixture, and this is two electrode. When just current is run through this electrode, the liquid get vaporized, but due to this freezing mixture it just get again condensed and form the colloidal solution of metal. Now next is peptidization. In this method, a freshly prepared precipitate of the substance is made to pass into a colloidal state by adding of the suitable electrolyte. The process dispersing of freshly prepared precipitate into colloidal form by using suitable electrolyte. In this electrolyte is salt solution. For example, NaCl, CuSO4 is called the peptidization. And when through the electrolyte, when precipitation peptidization is formed, then it known as peptidization. The electrolyte added is called peptizing agent. Some of the example, what is the peptization? When a small amount of FeCl 3, that is ferric chloride solution, is added to the freshly prepared FeOH whole thrice, that is ferric hydroxide, a reddish brown colored colloidal solution of ferric hydroxide is obtained. This is because due to the adsorption of Fe ion over the FeOH whole thrice particle, which causes them to disperse into the solution due to the electrostatic repulsion between the similarly charged particle. A freshly prepared precipitate of silver iodide is shaken with the dilute solution of silver nitrate. A colloidal solution of silver iodide is obtained. So my question is for today, what is mechanical and electrical dispersion method and peptidization? Thank you.